This is my screencast-o-matic, or coding class entry. I've edited a few of these just a few seconds ago. But, I have these few, games. Basically, a lot of these I've actually pretty much made. I just have been editing them and making them better. So, like, this was a failed game. I don't know how great it is, but yeah. Yeah. So basically, just this game that I made. I don't. I haven't added more levels to it, but yeah, it's interesting. Uh, yeah, but I've been making this game. This game, it's the guns that I've had a hard time with. I think you can shoot. No, you can't. But there was supposed to be that. But I will show a game that actually did work out, which is my top-down zombie game. I edited this, and that was a timer and a health bar, and just made this game a lot better than it was originally. It's really neat. These guys, bullets can go through randomly, and the big guys regenerate health, so sometimes they'll take 3 shots to kill, sometimes it will take 2. Um, but yes, and if there's a timer, and if you survive the timer, I have to still add oh god, I still have to add the thing for it. Oh yeah, by the way, they also stay for a second. I have to add the death screen or the win screen. I haven't done that yet. I might have a death screen, but I don't know. Yeah. Uh, I had oh, got him. Yeah, see how he stays for a second, standing still? Yeah, he's dead. So, there's that. You got all the code in just that. Then you got the normal zombie. And then this one has the most code. Yeah, it's also quite a big bit of code for the bullet. And then this, oh yeah, this is the player dead screen. So, yeah, saying you died. Yeah, so I do have one. But yeah, that's what I have. And basically, I'm gonna go back to my profile. In my profile, you can see a few more things. So we have the I have what is it? I've just been improving on these games, basically. I got Jumpy Tag. This one's became quite popular out of people that wanted to play it. That's what we were playing. I think glass coding class, which on Thursday was this. Basically, there's 2 players, so I'm using A, D, and space right now. You can also use W to jump. I'm using those right now to control blue, and to control red, I'm using the arrow keys. So basically, one person puts their hands on the A, D, and space keys, or W, and then the other person puts their hand on the arrow keys, and you use those to jump. So basically, what happens is red is the runner, and they run away, and blue tries to catch them. I accidentally just killed myself, but basically, let's see, blue's going after him. Blue got him. You get the death screen, and yeah, you can also, let's say it's going after him. By the way, something, and yes, you can lose as the hunter, and the hunter cannot go past. So if he gets like here, let's say, it's gonna be a really hard time for you to get out. But basically, you should stay ahead of the hunter the entire time, unless you fail a level. Then you're gonna have to find a way to jump over him. But yes, it's really interesting in my opinion. This game's one of my favorites. Besides this other one that I'm about to show you, that's Jumpy Square. This one is the first game I ever made, I think. Yeah, but I've added a lot to it. It used to be just like 4 levels. Now it's like a lot, and there's like a second world to it and stuff. And I also made one of the last level easier because I actually don't even know. It's really hard. But that's one thing that I've figured out about coding is I really like the movement. Pretty much all the movement for my games is the same in the sense that it's coded like the same way. I just have a backpack copy of it. Yeah, this one's probably is definitely the most code in a game that I have. You can go inside. We have the death, which is basically just nothing really. But then the player has a lot of code in it. The level has some code in it. A cookie, which is what you get when you win. And then World 2, it's not done yet. That's going to have a lot of code in it. But yeah, there's a second world. I've also been updating it. As you can see, it's 1.6.5. For some reason, it just doesn't pop up that I have been updating it. Let's do Pong. There's an AI versus. Oh, I just didn't move. Great. No, I accidentally used the arrow keys. But I use W and S to move up and down. And it's pretty much a Pong game. It's very hard actually. You would think it'd be easier to do a Pong game. It's actually really hard to do. I don't know why it is, but it is. So yeah. It's kind of glitchy in the sense that, well, it is. Yeah, so like that, this can happen, but I don't think it's that bad. I mean, it still goes side to side no matter what. So the AI is very hard to beat. I don't even think there's actually a death screen, but if you beat the AI, but yes, oh, I just failed. See, you're dead. Click the factory restart, and boom, there you go. But basically, there is that's the projects that I've shared. I have one in here called Jumpy World, I think. Wait, my stuff. Oh, that's messages. That's the wrong thing. Yeah, there's my stuff. I have a cat platformer. This one was kind of just for the joke, because I make my name GCat9, so I kind of just made a joke for it. Yeah, this was one that I created all this year. I don't know how done this thing is. I haven't looked at it in a little. Yeah, and then just fell into an empty void, but it's close to done. I'm still making it. Jumpy World. So basically, Jumpy World is this. It's an RPG, but you're able to play. Basically, what happens when you go in the house is you get teleported to a place, and then you have to go from house to house to house. I was gonna finish this, but it got boring coding that, so I just added on to Jumpy World. I have my health bar test here. It's just a health bar test. I also, I can't show this here, but I have games that I have coded on other things, not for a coding class, just on other things at my own home computer. Yeah, I code a lot. outside of school too. So because that's something that I really like doing, and that's something that I want to do. Uh, I've tried coding other things on Scratch. I've deleted most of them. Um, but yeah, I tried coding a chess game. Did not work. Um, yeah, that's one of those things that I failed to do. But yeah, that's my screencast, and I hope you liked it. And yeah, bye.